Welcome to our video on how to use self-compassion to gain new perspectives and improve your self-care. Self-compassion is the act of being kind and understanding towards oneself, especially during difficult times. It's about treating ourselves with the same compassion we would show to a friend. One way to practice self-compassion is by using mindfulness. This means being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. For example, if you're feeling stressed about an upcoming presentation, try to take a step back and observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Instead of telling yourself that you're going to mess up, try to remind yourself that it's normal to feel anxious before a big event. This can help you gain new perspectives on a situation and see things from a different angle. Another way to practice self-compassion is by talking to yourself in a kind and supportive way. Instead of criticizing yourself, try to be understanding and compassionate towards yourself. For example, if you make a mistake at work, instead of berating yourself, try to remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes and that it's an opportunity to learn and grow. This can help improve your self-esteem and confidence. It's also important to take care of your physical and emotional needs. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. For example, if you're feeling stressed, take a break and go for a walk outside, or listen to your favorite music. By taking care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to handle difficult situations. Self-compassion can be difficult to practice, but it's a valuable skill that can improve your overall well-being. Remember to be kind and understanding towards yourself, and to take care of your physical and emotional needs. With time and practice, you'll be able to gain new perspectives and improve your self-care. A quick reminder, self-compassion is not only about being kind to yourself when things go wrong, but also when things go right. Celebrate your successes, give yourself credit for your achievements, and acknowledge your strengths. Another tip, try to practice self-compassion daily, make it a habit, it will become easier over time. Thank you for watching. Remember to be kind to yourself and take care of yourself.